Comparing 15-piece knife sets, Henckels, Cuisinart, and Sabatier. When selecting a comprehensive knife set, the Henckels Premium Quality 15-piece knife set stands out for its blend of tradition, quality, and user-friendly features. To illustrate its advantages, let's compare it with two similar products available on Amazon: the Cuisinart 15-piece knife set with block and the Sabatier 15-piece forged triple rivet knife block set. High-carbon stainless steel blades. This set features superior high-carbon stainless steel blades designed for precision and accuracy. Ergonomic handles. The knives come with ergonomically designed handles, providing comfort and control during use. Affordable price point. Priced at $69.95, it offers a budget-friendly option for those seeking a complete knife set. Durability concerns. Some users have reported that the knives may require frequent sharpening to maintain their edge. Weight. The knives are relatively lightweight, which might not appeal to those who prefer a heftier feel for more control. Built-in sharpener. The Acacia block includes an edge keeper built-in sharpener, ensuring knives remain sharp with minimal effort. High-carbon stainless steel blades. Crafted from superior quality high-carbon stainless steel, the blades are designed for precision and accuracy. Ergonomic handles. The knives feature triple riveted handles, providing strength and durability. Maintenance. Hand wash is recommended to maintain the quality of the knives, which may be less convenient for some users. Price. Priced higher than the Cuisinart set, it may not suit all budgets. German engineering. Informed by over 100 years of masterful knife-making, this set embodies German engineering excellence. Razor-sharp blades. The knives are designed to be razor-sharp, ensuring precise and effortless cutting. Dishwasher safe. Unlike many high-quality knife sets, these knives are dishwasher safe, offering convenience without compromising quality. Lightweight and strong. The knives are both lightweight and strong, making them easy to handle and durable. Price. With a list price of $345, it is a premium investment, though discounts may be available. While the Cuisinart and Sabatier sets offer commendable features at their respective price points, the Henckels Premium Quality 15-piece knife set distinguishes itself with its German engineering, razor-sharp blades, and dishwasher-safe convenience. For those seeking a durable, high-performance knife set informed by a century of expertise, the Henckels set is a superior choice.